Hello viewers, welcome to eSpectrum online channel for class 12th Maths Linear Programming. We will be discussing today exercise 7.1, the first part of the exercise. Let us solve the first problem as solve graphically x greater than is equal to 0. What are the steps? Draw XOY plane. Second step, draw a line at x is equal to 0. So this is the line at x is equal to 0. So here I am observing this is my line x is equal to 0. So after drawing the line, I have to decide which points to take into consideration. So x is equal to 0 line indicates x is equal to x greater than equal to 0 indicates all the collection of points which are lying on the positive x-axis side, that is y greater than 0 on the right hand side. So here this is my solution set for x greater than equal to 0. So this is the set of points lying on the right side of y-axis, that is positive x-axis. Okay. The next problem that we have is solve graphically. The condition given here in this case is x less than equal to 0. So for x less than equal to 0, draw XOY plane. Draw the line x is equal to 0. It lies on y-axis. Now this is the collection of all points having value x less than 0. So that is why it is set of points lying on the left side of y-axis, that is negative x-axis. Look at the third problem. It is y greater than equal to 0. Steps are same. Draw XOY plane. Draw the line y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 line is overlapping on my x-axis. So draw that line. Now it is collection of all the points having value y greater than 0. So if it is y greater than 0, it should be my upper section above x-axis. So solution set for this problem is set of points lying above x-axis, that is above the line y is equal to 0. Fourth problem, it is y less than equal to 0 in this case. Draw XOY plane. Draw the line y is equal to 0. Now it is collection of lines having value of y less than 0. It means now I have to refer which region? I have to refer the below region. This is. So here this is the thing, what collection of all the points having value y less than 0. So it is below x-axis. Let us solve now the intersection of two regions. I have given a problem. It is x greater than is equal to 0 and y greater than is equal to 0. I should go step by step. Draw XOY plane. Consider a line now having value x is equal to 0. So this line coincides on my y-axis. Then I have to highlight the points which are coming under the region x greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive x-axis. So shown by my blue lines. Then I have to consider a line y is equal to 0. For y equal to 0, this line we have seen overwrites on y-axis. So collection of all points having y greater than 0 value indicated by a red line. Now here, if you observe, this is the region where my both the lines are intersecting. So this is my first quadrant you are observing. So solution for this particular problem, x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, will be what? Intersection of two regions, and that intersection of two regions is nothing but my all the points coming in the first quadrant. So this is the solution. Let us see the second problem. The region which is given to me is x less than 0 and y is greater than 0. Draw XOY plane. For x less than 0, I have to draw first line x is equal to 0. Now it is x less than 0 means negative x-axis or all the points lying on the left hand side of y-axis. So shown by our blue lines. So this is my region. Then I have to draw the line y is equal to 0. So y equal to 0 is a line overlapping on x-axis. Its corresponding region will be the points above x-axis. So here if I observe now, the two regions that we have drawn are overlapping in the second quadrant. So it is intersection of blue lines and red lines. So it indicates the second quadrant will be the solution for my problem x less than 0 and y greater than 0. So solution will be the overlapping region in the second quadrant. Let us look at the third problem. The region which is given to me is x is less than equal to 0 and y is also less than is equal to 0. Steps are same. Draw XOY plane. Show the region x less than 0. So draw the first line. Show the points x less than 0 means on the left hand side of y-axis. Draw the line y is equal to 0. It will overlap on x-axis now. Show the region. It will be my all points below x-axis because it is y less than 0. So here I observe the two regions are overlapping in the third quadrant. Okay. So solution is nothing but overlapping region. So the solution for this problem will be in the third quadrant, that is overlapping region in the third quadrant. Let us see the last problem. You have x greater than 0 and y is less than 0. So draw XOY plane. Draw the line x is equal to 0. Show the region. It will be all values having x positive. Draw the line now for y is equal to 0. It will be all values having less than 0 value. So here overlapping area, if you observe, is nothing but my fourth quadrant. So the solution for this problem will be all the points which are available in the fourth quadrant.